Ilan tayo? 8? Good afternoon, boys. Ilan tayo? 2, 4, 6, 7. Sino pa isa? Ayun, upo. Okay, good afternoon, boys. First official meet natin. I'm going to be your coach dun sa upcoming league, yung sa City Hoops. Congratulations na agad sa inyo. Yung program natin dito, it's not gonna be easy, pero magbe-benefit kayo for sure. Tulad ni Maki Boy, previous player ko na siya from junior MPBL. Dami na. Brief history about me, bago tayo mag-start. Nag-coach ako sa National Basketball League, NBL Pilipinas hindi yung Cavite. Kasi there's 2 types of NBL I was coaching for NBL Pilipinas in Manila, 18 under. And then after nun, I moved na kagad sa Junior MPBL, silang players ko, for 14 under naman. And then this season with Bawan Batangas, 3 divisions yung hawak ko, 14, 16, and then 18 under. And if you've heard of Prolific Basketball, I own it. We do leagues, we do charities, open runs, yon. Dito yun sa silang. Natin, magdi-drills tayo, pero before the physical aspect ng drills, gusto ko yung mental aspect muna tayo. Kaya ako kayo pinaupo. So the reason why is because I want everyone to be on the same page. This is a team sport, hindi to individual. So if you're looking for highlights, pang reels, pang post mo sa TikTok, Facebook or Instagram, team sport to. You will be given a playing time, of course. Pero my challenge to you guys is how long can you stay? Meaning, gaano kayong katagal makakalaro sa loob. Kasi ipapasok ko kayo, no questions doon. Pero if you're giving me turnovers after turnovers, then why would I still let you in? So that's the challenge for you inside. You will be given a time, playing time for sure. Pero if you're giving me something na that's gonna hurt the team, then I have to take you out. But it's not the end of the day, it's not the end of the game. I will bring you back. Pero from the time na pinull out kita, you have to recognize and realize what the problem is. Okay? Naintindihan nyo? Ano, may notebook ba kayo dyan? Mahaba to. De, joke lang. So yun lang. You have to realize, kasi this is a team sport. If you're doing a mistake, then most probably you're hurting the team. It affects everybody. So one mistake is applicable to everyone, including myself. Hindi lang nagkamali siya, duduruin nyo na, ayoko nung ganun. Ha? There's a fine line between correcting and blaming. Correcting means tinatama mo yung pagkakamali ng teammate mo, knowing that everybody makes mistakes. Blaming is putting them down, yung confidence nila mawawala na. Kasi pinapahiya mo na sa ibang tao. I want to thank you again for coming. Wawalo kayo. Let's encourage the other players na pumunta on time. When I say 2, 1:30, nandito na kayo. Okay? Kasi ang time ko very limited lang din. After nito, meron akong league. So moving forward, gusto ko, pag sinabing 2, 1:30, andito na. Okay? 1, 2, switch. 1, no extensions, stationary lang. When you extend the elbow, offensive yan, automatic. Switch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Good. Switch. Push, Gomez. Push. Push mo pa. Yeah. Go, go. Power. Push, 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 push. That's why inhale, exhale, shout, go! Fourth quarter, dying seconds. Pagod na ang lahat. Who wants it more? Last three, last three. Go hard tayo, go hard tayo. Game speed, go! Sprint, sprint! Last one, last one. Last one, last one. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Shout, shout, shout. Inhale. Wag yuyuko, wag yuyuko. Exhale. Shout, shout. Ano tayo? Konting conditioning pa. 0 tayo ha. 1 minute. Ready? Oh, boys, what did I tell you? There's a fine line in correcting and in blaming. One mistake is the mistake of everybody. 1 minute lang. Kaya naman eh. Ready, ready. Go.